All right, so guys, let's take a look at this problem here. This is out of 10.3, and it says use the compound interest formula to compute the total amount accumulated and interest earned. Okay, so let's see if we can't figure this out. They give us some pieces of information here. We have $5,000 for 5 years at 5.5% compounded monthly. Okay, so remember, the way I'm going to find my total amount accumulated is I'm going to use my compound interest formula, which is A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the power N times T, right? And now all I'm going to do is fill in the blanks. So remember, P is the amount of money that we're investing. So they're already telling us that that's going to be 5,000, right? So I'm going to put 5,000 here. And then I'm going to put 1 plus, now my interest rate is 5.5%. So remember, as a decimal, I'm going to move my decimal 2 spaces to the left. So that's 0.055. Now, N is the number of times it gets compounded in a year. And if it's telling me that it's going to be monthly, my N is going to be 12. And then raised to the power, remember, we already said N is 12. So 12 times 5 because it's 5 years, right? So guys, I'm going to enter this part in my calculator exactly as I see it. The only thing I'm going to probably do here when I do this, I'm going to put a little dot right there letting me know that this is being multiplied, right? So let me grab my calculator real quick. Here we go. Clear this out. So I'm going to put 5,000 times 1 plus 0.0, oops, there's my 0.05. Was it 55? Let me double check, I forgot. 55, yes. Okay, so 55 divided by 12, close off my parentheses, raised to the power 12 times 5, because it was 5 years, right? Oops, not 2, but 5. There we go. Close that off. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And so remember, I'm rounding this to the nearest penny, so this is going to be 6,578 and 52 cents. So 6,578 and what was the change again? 52 cents. Okay, so 52 cents. Okay, this is the total amount that we have, right? So that's what I'm going to enter in right here. 6,578 and 52 cents. And then, so that's the total amount accumulated. And then it's asking me how much of that was interest. So remember, if we're trying to figure out how much of that was interest, I'm going to take 6,578 and 52 cents. Now remember, we put in 5,000 to begin with, right? So I'm going to go ahead and subtract off, come on, pen, there we go. Subtract off 5,000. So my interest is going to be 1,578 and 52. Okay. So again, this is out of 10.3. If y'all got any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to help.